Mihang'o ya urigitani bururi-ini no irathii na mbere thararite thiini wa mathibitari ma muingi, arwaru riu magitigwo matari na wa gwika thutha wa mugomo wa Manathi guthii na mbere na gutabanio guku bururi-ini. Mugomo uyu riu ukiingira thiko ya 36 kuma riria Manathi aya maigire miro yao thi, ni kiria maugite thirikari nditiite mendekithia mao magutigirira ni maheo riera riega ria kurutira wira.
One of those counties where this has been done is Vihiga County, which after failing to pay salaries to the contracted nurses for 18 months, they only paid for 2 months. Therefore, what Kisumu County has done, what Kisii County has done, what Mombasa County has done are illegal and invalid by law.
Makiria mari guku kaunti ya Nairobi arugamireria kiama kia Manathi guku bururi-ini KNUN matongoretio ni munini wa mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki Morris Opetu ni amenereirie kanjo ya magavana na kiria maugite nio magondereire hari gwikira kirore ngirimiti ya wuiguano ya kuruta wira undu uria mathingireirie kuga no meguthii na mbere na kuiga miro yao thi nginya riria mendekithia mao magategerwo matu.
The side of the government, that is the Council of Government, has not committed themselves to signing the return to work agreement, which is ready and fully negotiated in their presence.
It is clear that nurses and other health workers, and more so the health of Kenyans, nobody cares about it.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa ihinda kiama-ini giki Joseph Ngwasi ni amenereirie thirikari akiuga o ni mekite uria wothe mangihota niguo mahingirio mendekithia mao indi ni matiganeirio hatari uramarumbuia. Makinyita miario no baru Manathi kuma kaunti ya Mombasa ni maugite matikunyegenyuka na matikuguoyohio ni mikana iria mararutirwo makiruirira ihoto ciao wira-ini.
We shall not bow to intimidation and the ways that the employer has now decided to use the unorthodox means of handling this issue is not welcome.
Mageikia ritana reo kuri thirikari arutwo thukuru wa mathomo ma urigitani KMTC kuma kaunti-ini ino ni moretie thirikari ikemituke niguo arigitani undu umwe na Manathi ikiro ciothe macoke wira niguo arutwo aya mahote kurutithia githomo kiao wira riria matumwo mathibitari-ini kurora uria arwaru mararigitwo.
We are asking the national government and the Council of Governors to ensure that our colleagues who have succumbed, their families get compensated. That is it. And the risk allowance is worth for us to motivate us to go back to work.
Maya makihanikaga arwaru atatu ni makwite kumana na gutorio na murimu wa COVID-19 rungu rwa mathaa 24 riri ithabu ria riothe makwite rigikinyiria andu 1716 na wandu 98 ni mahuritwo mukonde gukorwo marwarite murimu uyu guku bururi-ini na gukinyiria andu aria othe marwarite 98,432.